How to use AI portrait filter on TikTok. Hi guys, I'll try and make this quick for you. In this video, you'll learn how to apply the trending filter on TikTok called AI portrait, where TikTok converts your selfie into an amazing AI generated photo such as what we see here on the screen. First off, go to TikTok app, type in AI portrait on the search bar, and select this one. As you can see, TikTok needs to be updated, so if your app is updated, you don't have to worry about this. Take note that sometimes it will say something like this filter is not available in your region or in your device. What you could do is to just wait for it to be available in your region or device, because for your information, this filter is still being developed. However, if you just want to be creative with your selfies, to use it in your social media accounts, you can download Lensa app. It's available on iOS and Android. That's it for this video. I hope you're able to follow through. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving the channel a subscription. It's free. And click on the like button. This helps the video reach people in need like you. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.